Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be fulfilling my promise, and I haven't done that yet. I said quite a while ago that I would. So we are going to be playing Among Us today, which is what won the votes of what I should be doing before my channel got an upgrade. So yeah, we're going to be doing that today. Let's head on into online and just find another game just like usual. Okay, so I actually get to be orange this time, and obviously we don't have the cone yet. Yeah, let's just get right on into it, shall we? And this server speaks a different language. Oh, nah.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
I'm not actually gonna do this. I'm gonna keep. No! Oh, let's do this. Okay, so. I'm gonna shapeshift. Please don't vote me already. Bro. Okay, so this is gonna suck because they speak a different language. Also, I'm sick right now. That's why I sound weird. I'm feeling better today, though. Okay, someone left. Vote already, Issa. And minor. Ah! Yeah, that guy. The sussy baka. Yeah. Bro, what is this? Why did they vote for me? How was I sus at all? Bro. Okay, I need to find a safe place to shapeshift so that I can actually do that without getting caught. Alright, Huh. What if I shapeshift? Holy crap. I killed black. My disguise is pink.
What the shit?
Jeez. Yo! Alright. Bro, this kid's... that was easy. What the? Here. Oh, mine, right. Okay. So let's just find a random server right here. Hold up. Yeah, okay. Oh, why am I yellow? Come on, man. Man. Okay, well. Also, I know that there is indeed a cone hat that I can buy, which I'm trying my best to save up for right now. I've been grinding for it. But right now, as a substitute, this should work. So I'm just gonna stick with this for now. Yeah, I'll keep that on. Yeah, this is good. Alrighty then. Well, are we gonna start? Or okay, here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, so it's just like a regular old match. No modifiers or anything. I like that. Okay, never mind. We're slow as hell. There you go.
Filthy monkey who can't even use juju.
Huh. What the hell are they talking about? What the hell was that? What does that mean, though? Okay, that's that task done. Right. Hello everyone and welcome back to once again another video. I have not uploaded it in what the